Hi, my name is Paulo, and I will be telling you why you should vote yes on Measure J. So first, what is Measure J? Measure J is on the 2024 Sonoma County ballot. The purpose of the measure is trying to keep the safety of protecting animals, our environment, public health, and small farms. Measure J will set a limit on the number of animals that can be confined in a commercial operation by prohibiting concentrated animal feeding operations, also known as CAFOs. CAFOs are the largest, most destructive animal factory farms. So today, I will talk about how Measure J will protect animals from abuse, water and aquatic ecosystem damage caused from what? The protection of small farms and our public health conditions. Protecting animals from abuse. If Measure J doesn't go through, the outcome will be that animals such as ducks, cows, and chickens will keep being neglected and treated with poor care. They also go through chronic stress and physical ailments. Animals in CAFOs are frequently left to die or slaughtered when they become sick or injured, and they don't bother to give them veterinary care. But they pump them with antibiotics so they don't die from infections that flourish amid overcrowding. They also breed animals that live through pain with astonishing growing speeds and poison their lagoons that turn the air acrid. Next, we are going to talk about protecting our water and aquatic systems. A big harm towards water and aquatic systems are CAFOs. They are a leading contributor of pollinants to lakes, rivers, and reservoirs. Nearly every stream and river in Sonoma County is listed by the Environmental Protection Agency, also known as EPA, as impaired due in part to nitrogen and/or phosphorus and bacteria and microbes, of which animal waste is a primary source. These include Petaluma River, Laguna de Santa Rosa, and Sonoma Creek. By prohibiting CAFOs, which will effectively set limits on the number of animals that can be confined in a single operation, Measure J will reduce water pollution and protect our important watersheds. On the left, you can see a picture of Manua Lagoon the size of 2 football fields at Mertens. Now, talking about the benefiting of small farms. Measure J will even out the playing field for small farms and will help family farms viable again. As we all know, in the US, large factory farms are taking over our food system. They use monopolist practices to push out small farms and control our prices. This is also happening in Sonoma County. In 1941, there were 4,000 egg farms in our county, but however, by 2015, the amount of egg farms dropped down to 157. Sunrise Farms LLC and Petaluma Farms, these two large companies dominating the entire commercial industry. Sunrise Farms operates multiple casefields in the country, including one on Liberty Road in Petaluma that confines over 500,000 chickens. Since the 1950s, industrial poultry CAFOs have been able to outcompete local family farms by using cheap transport and supply chains, minimal amounts of poorly paid labor, and externalizing environmental costs. Cheap food has come at the cost of our local economy and rural landscape, said from Roy Smith, an operator of a small diverse animal farm in Pengrove called Thank you. Vote yes on Measure J.